Breaking up literally weakens your heart.
Dr. Cutting, take one.
Hi, I'm Dr. Will Cutting, and I'm busting some common heart myths today. All right, we've got our first true or false question here. Just kind of go when I'm ready.
Yeah.
All right. Swimming isn't real cardio because you're floating. I would say this is false. I have plenty of patients who I advise to swim on a regular basis for their exercise. Obviously, if you're just floating and doing nothing, you may not be getting much benefit, but doing arm and leg exercises, moving around the pool is definitely beneficial. Your heart syncs with your dogs when you pet them. I think this is actually true based on my personal experience and based on, studies I've read. When a dog and an owner are separated, their heart rates become more variable and faster, and then they get together and the heart rate will slow down and they'll feel better, and overall it's good for heart health. You can't exercise outdoors if you have atrial fibrillation. I would say this is totally false. You will focus on exercise and regular healthy lifestyles with atrial fibrillation. AFib should not be something that limits your lifestyle one bit. That one's true. Our next question, this pain in my legs must be a sign of aging. I'm sure it has nothing to do with my heart. That is false. A lot of people have pain in their legs because they've got arthritis or lower back issues, but sometimes pain in your legs, especially with exertion, can be a sign of vascular disease, or the fancy terminology is claudication. If you notice your legs are hurting with exertion and improve with rest, you should seek out evaluation from your physician for underlying vascular disease. Will you help?
Sorry.
All right, you can put that in there. Breaking up literally weakens your heart. Well, this actually can be true at times. The fancy terminology is Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, which is a Japanese term for an octopus trap, because the heart ends up shaped just like that octopus trap. So yes, rarely a broken heart can cause a weak heart. I should avoid exercise after having a heart attack. This is false. Acutely, you may sort of have some bed rest, but then you get back into a regular walking routine, and you usually go through a 3-month program that allows you to recondition your heart with a cardiophysical therapist, gives you the knowledge to get back into a regular fitness routine. False. Living in Florida automatically improves your heart health. This is definitely true. Being in Florida, there's more sunshine, there's better weather, palm trees, beaches. These are all things that relieve our stress and improve our emotional health, which can help lower blood pressure, which over time reduces your risk of cardiovascular events. Seniors can't improve their heart health. That is ridiculously false. We have patients that are 105 years old who are exercising regularly. Everybody should focus on exercising at least 5 days a week for 30 minutes. The goal is to stay as active as you can for as long as you can, because that'll keep you away from the heart doctor in the hospital. Must.
Cut.